Fantastic morning, dear students. So in the previous class I have taught you about the properties of division. We shall glance what we have studied. We have studied some of the properties. The first thing, closure property, commutative property, associative, existence of identity and existence of inverse. We have studied with some of the example as well as some of the properties when a number is divided with the same number. What gives you the same number? When a number is divided with 1 gives you the same number. When a number is divided with 0 gives you the answer as what? 0. Today we are going to solve the problems of exercise 5D. See students, I have solved all the problems. So now I am showing about exercise 5D problems. The first heading is division of whole number is not closed. What is division of whole number is not closed? We have to show the methods. How? For example, if you take any whole number as 5 and 8. Okay. You take the two whole number 5 and 8. Now, if you divide this 5 with this 8, or if you divide up with this, or if you divide up with the 5 divided by 8, that gives you the decimal value. Hence, this division of whole number is not closed. Done? Yes, this is the first answer. Next, any whole number divided by 1 always give the number itself. Any whole number definition, a number that starts from 0 is called as whole number, 0 to infinity. When any whole number, let us take as 10, when it is divides by 1, that is divides by 1, it gives you the what? Number itself. Yes, it is true. You can take any whole number. You can take 20, you can take 30, or else you can take 100. When it is divided by 1, that gives you the same answer. Done? Yes. Next, every non-zero whole number divided by itself gives 1. Every non-zero whole number divided by itself gives 1. For example, non-zero means which doesn't have any, non-zero, which does not include any zero like that. You can take, for example, 5 divided by number itself, the same number. See, I have taken the same number. This gives you the value as 1. See how? When it is divided by 5 by 5, that is the same number. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, you will get the value as 1. These are nothing but to show that there are 5 problems might be in this heading. The 2 problems you are going to solve by your own. Please understand the concept and solve. The next part I have shown one more question. If x is a whole number such that x divided by x is nothing but x, state the value of x. As we know, according to the statement, when any of the number, when it is divided by 1, that gives you the same number. For example, if you take 2 divided by 1, you will get 2. Done. Hence, the numbers are, the value of x might be 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. The values of x might be anything. Let us divide with the 1, it gives the same answer. Okay? Yes. Now, the next heading is fill in the blanks. Again, the first question, see the first question. 987, when it is divided with 1, you gives the same answer. That is 987 itself. Okay? Yes. Now, when 0 divide with 987, when any number that is divided with 0 or 0 when it is divided with any number that gives you the value of 0. This is the basic problem that I have solved in the previous class about the properties. Done? Next, the third problem is little different. Please understand. Here we have 336 subtraction, that is minus. Inside the bracket we have 888 divided by 888. For this, students, what we are going to do, we are going to solve the thing or the numbers which is present inside the bracket first. We are going to conclude the numbers which are present inside the brackets. Done? Yes. So first we will just define or solve this inside the bracket. So 336 we keep it as it is. When any number is divided by the same number, it is nothing but 1. For example, 888 divided by 1, 888 ones are 888. So it is nothing but 1. Did you understand? Yes. So now 336 minus 1. Now subtraction we have to do. 336 minus 1 is nothing but 335. So your answer is 335. This is your answer with respect to your fill in the blanks. So this is about exercise of 5D problems. What we have studied today. Now glancing over the properties of division. Then respective problems. Fill in the blanks. And some of the interesting problems we have solved. So we shall meet the next class with a different concept. Till then, take care.